Good morning, traders. Bill Dixon here at MF Global on Wednesday, October 5th, with some opening comments for the softs markets. Cocoa had a nice recovery off the fresh lows that we saw yesterday. We're a little bit higher today. However, again, same old fundamentals, very, very heavy supply, looking at really good crops. So I don't really see the market rallying too much. I think a lot of this is being carried up on outside strength. And if I was looking to play the long side in something in the commodity sectors, I'd probably find something else with a little bit more, with a little bit better fundamentals for a move to the upside. Like I said, cocoa will go ahead and participate if everything else is going higher. However, I don't really think that it has the fundamentals to really explode higher like some of these other markets might. However, I also think that it might provide a pretty good fade. So if you're looking to take advantage of a market that doesn't have very good fundamentals, that is rallying just because everything else is, and you're looking to play the downside, I think cocoa does provide a very good opportunity there, maybe in the form of puts to go ahead and reduce your risk, but if we get to a high enough price, you might want to consider shorting some futures as well. Coffee, we did see some small gains yesterday, so didn't quite participate as much as some of the other markets in the upside move. It is extending them a little bit today. We are expecting better weather in Brazil. We're getting a little bit of rain, so that is going to help things. Again, bearish fundamentals. And I do believe that some of this Eurozone stuff, I think that we still might see some more downside there, so I wouldn't get too excited about the up move. I'm still hoping that we can make it somewhere between about 235 and 240 before I go ahead and establish some short positions in some way, shape, or form. But I will wait it out a little bit, see if we can't move a little bit higher and get yourself a better price. Sugar, a little bit different. Sideways trade continues in that market. Looks like we are looking for a little bit more confirmation that the Eurozone is going to be in better shape before it really goes higher. We do still have a heavy net long, so it does look like people are defending it. We have found a pretty good measure of support in that market. However, I think that this market could make a pretty strong move in either direction at this point. Still favor the downside based on the world production surplus. There was some concern in Brazil, but that's looking like the concerns are dissipating a little bit. So again, I do favor the downside. However, if the outside markets are going to carry it higher, as we've seen in the past, sugar can make a pretty explosive move. So I would be very, very cautious about it. But it is a market that probably provides a pretty good opportunity to play both sides, in fact. Maybe on the option side, you could go ahead and buy some strangle, something along those lines, because I do believe that it's not going to stay contained in this range for all that much longer. And it should provide a pretty good move one direction or the other. So if you'd like to talk about these markets or any other markets in greater detail, feel free to reach me at my trade desk, which is 312-548-2942. And please do remember that futures trading does involve the risk of substantial losses and not suitable for all investors. Thanks and have a great day.